Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Twilight Sparkle from My Little Pony. So grab your marker and let's begin. As we always do, we're going to start with the eyes. Twilight Sparkle is going to look off to the side. So first of all, we're just going to make a little line, a little curve. And now we're going to draw the eye. And you're going to draw just the bottom part of the eye. Nice and round. And then eyelashes. We're going to draw 3 eyelashes sticking out, and then from there we do the pupil, we draw the iris, and as usual the light reflection. Now on this side we're going to draw the nose. I'm going to start just a little bit higher and I'm just going to make a little pointy mark, and then from there you're just going to make it nice and round and curve it back to the eye to roughly about there. And then a nostril. We're just going to draw a little nostril, and then we're just going to draw a little smile off to the side as well. Now from there we're going to continue the eye. We're going to draw a line, there we go, and an eyelash, and let's make another eyelash like this. And then above that you're just going to make a nice little round curve for the other side. And as we always do, a light reflection. Good. And then you're just going to draw the top part of the pupil as well. Let's color the pupil in. Next up, we're going to draw the ear. And right here on top, I'm just going to draw a nice little pointy ear sticking out. Bring it back, and then we're just going to divide it a little bit. There we go. Now we're going to draw the fringe, the hair in front. I'm going to start here. I'm just going to bring it back to the ear and connect it. I'm going to make a little V, and I'll just continue with it like this. Next up, we're going to draw a little horn for our unicorn. I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a little cone shape and stop right there. Now we're going to start with the hair, the mane. But first, I'm going to draw the neck. So I'll draw the little neck, going out with a little curve down. And now I have sort of a reference to draw my hair. I'm going to start here on top. Nice curve. Take the curve all the way around to the ear. And now from the ear we're going to go down. But I'm going to start on the inside first. So I'm just going to draw a little mane going down, maybe to there. And now I'm going to just bring this up and take it all the way around and connect it to the ear on top. So there's the mane. Here we're going to draw the little lines in her hair, the pink and purple lines. So there is one line, and then here we can draw another one. So we're going to color this in pink and purple. We're going to do the same on this side as well. I'm start here, I'm just going to bring a line down, another line for the pink, and then the purple line that we're going to color purple. Now let's start with the body. I'm going to do the top of the shoulder right there, just a small little mark, and now we're going to go down and we're going to draw the legs. Now I'm going to draw a leg bending down slightly. I'll make the hoof. I'm going to start here on top, and I'm going to go wider as I go down, and there we have a leg with a hoof. Now we're going to draw the other front leg. It's going to be a bit longer, and it's going to be behind this one. Now for the belly. Nice curve. And now we're going to draw the hind legs. So I'm going to start up here. And I'm just going to draw the little hind legs going down. And I'm going to make it a nice curve. Now you can draw it any way you want. So normally I'll draw the belly, or I'll draw the hind leg and I stop the belly right there. It's your choice. Now we're going to start with the back leg, the top part, and you're going to stop right there. And then here, you're going to do the same thing, connect it. And down here, you're going to draw the bottom part of the leg, going down to the hoof. And we're going to draw the other leg, standing a bit back. Here we go. Now right here, there's a little tattoo. So let's draw a little star tattoo. There we go. And now let's draw Twilight's tail. Now I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a little line down. And then again, I'm going to start, and I'm going to make it wider. So probably I'm going to make a mark there. So I want this back, and I'm just going to follow the curve, connect it, and then we're going to connect these ones. And I'm just going to make a line up, bring it down, connect it, and again, the stripes, the pink stripe and the purple stripe. We'll do both of them. And then last but not least, the little purple stripe as well. And there we go. And there's Twilight Sparkle. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.